Welcome to the Systematic Problem-Solving screencast by Group 120 in the module CA172. The purpose of this screencast is to illustrate systematic problem-solving in a concise and informative manner. The first thing we have to do is introduce the problem. The problem we have chosen is the classic light bulb riddle. This involves three light bulbs connected to three switches that are in fact located in a different room. The task is we have to find which switch belongs to which light bulb. The trick is you only have one turn of switching on and off the light bulbs and then checking the lights inside the different room. As this is to illustrate systematic problem solving, we're going to use a step-by-step solution guide to do so. This includes employing the various strategies to help us uncover the solution that we learned over the course of the module CA172. Step 1 is reading and understanding the problem. The first thing we must do is read the problem carefully and understand what is in fact happening. We must also look for ambiguity within the problem, which will hinder us in our solution. Below, I included the sample text for the light bulb problem that you may read now, and then once you're ready to move on with the screencast, do so. Step 2 is exploring our various strategies. So now once we've read the problem, we can explore our strategies to help us. Drawing the problem is always helpful to visualize what is going on. You may now take this time to draw the problem, and once you're ready to move on with the screencast, you may do so. Step 3 is exploring our solutions. This is more of a lateral thinking problem than a mathematical problem. It requires you to think about all concepts of light bulbs and switches. We can now practice by having some test rounds. We can create examples involving one light bulb and two light bulbs, and you must visualize yourself within that scenario. Take this time to pause and really think about the problem. What are the components of light bulbs that may help you discover a solution? Take this time, and once you're ready to move on with the screencast, you may do so. Once you've took the time to explore your own solutions, we can now explore our own. A large component of light bulbs is that they don't in fact just generate light energy. They also create heat energy. We can simplify the problem so that can be seen if you turn on a single light bulb, then it creates heat when you touch it. This can in fact help us discover a solution. For our solution, we only need the use of two light bulbs to discover a third. If we turn on two switches and then switch one off, and then we can leave and go down and look at the light bulbs. We can see which one is left on as the light comes from it, and then we can see the heat residue left on the one which has been recently turned off. So that leaves us with the final light bulb that has not been touched. These are our final thoughts on the problem. This can in fact be a very difficult problem if we do not explore and utilize the various strategies we suggest, such as drawing and simplifying. Now, take this time to look back on your experiences in the problem and think about other problems you could utilize using this step-by-step guide. This now concludes our screencast for illustrating systematic problem solving for Group 120. We hope this helped you with this particular problem and for much more problems in the future. Thank you very much and goodbye.